Hey guys, this is Shujax and today the topic of my bug is why everything is so cool in slow motion. Before knowing about the cool thing in slow motion, we should know what the slow motion actually is. Slow motion is actually playing back the video at the slowest speed than it was made or recorded, so that the action appears much more slower in real life. Video is actually the set of frames or pictures, and when all frames and pictures are combined, they form a video. Frames in the video is directly proportional to the quality of the video. When we increase the frames, it will definitely increase the quality of the video. Let me explain how this happens. Normally we record at 24 frames per second. The video you are watching currently is actually at 24 frames per second. It means there are 24 frames in a second. When we increase the frame rate in a second, for example to 40 frames per second, it will make the video way more slower. This is because the frames are increased. As I record my slow motion from my Samsung Galaxy S7, it records at 24 frames per second slow motion video. It means I have 240 frames in 1 second. And by increasing the frames in 1 second, it will make our video way more. When our daily routine things getting slower, our brain experiences new things which he has never did before. So that's why if we see the things on daily basis get slower, it will look amazing. And automatically our brain will appreciate that experience. By adding some spicy music to the slow motion video, it will increase the taste of the video and it will definitely amuse the viewer to watch. Doesn't matter if there's a normal video, if you are eating a food by a music and some slow motion, it will definitely look cool. Khaskar TikTok pe. And what if I say not everything is so cool in slow motion? And as always, thanks for watching. So at the end, I have an announcement to make. I will start making videos in English from now to onward. If you guys are interested in knowing why I have started making videos in English, you can just click on the link in the description below. I have made a separate video for that. And I will see you in the next video.